Hello everyone, I hope you are all having a very nice day and enjoying your long walks with your dogs. Spring in Japan is a really beautiful season, so please enjoy it. Now, today we're gonna cut the walk short because we have to take care of the puppies. Today is a very important day. First time for them to actually eat processed food. So you will have a chance to see not all of them, but some of them. And I will post more videos about feeding puppies later on. Enjoy it! This one is a girl, okay? Yes, this one is a girl. Okay, and this one is also a girl. Okay, and we have a boy. Okay, right here. Okay. Again, they were fed before with the bottle. I had to do it simply because if I wouldn't, they would be so hungry. They would just jump on it and start crawling all over it, and it would be a big mess. It's still a mess, as you can see, but it's much less of a mess than it would be if I wouldn't feed them in advance. Okay, I will have to continue doing so for as long as they need to learn how to be properly behaved puppies and eat from the bowl. Okay. Okay. Salsa is worried about what's going on. I intentionally didn't include her in this event because if she would be here, they would just run over and try to feed off of her, and we don't want to do it because they have to learn how to use the bowl. Well, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will post more soon. I will introduce them one by one, probably in the next video. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye bye.